Hi, I'm Uhle. I'm the new branch manager for Drake Service and Repairs Queensland. We're just going to do a quick walk around, show you a few repairs that we've done to WA Limestone's extendable. So the trailer come to us for a full inspection. It had some repairs that were needed. The deck was bent outwards. We end up having to replace both link arms. This involved major boilermaker repairs and also did a full suspension rebuild and new bifold ramps. We replaced both link arms. This meant replacing the main swing pin here. We measured up everything to make sure everything from the link arms back wasn't bent. We completely rebuilt the front end basically, new pins, bushes, skid plate, and down the back we did a full suspension rebuild. Yeah, new tyres, new rims, all new bell cranks, brakes, shoes. So a few of the upgrades that we've done to the trailer is we've put a set of bifold ramps on. We've completely redone the back mounting points for the ramps because we installed ramp props, new cylinders and all new lights and signboards at the back. So yeah, after we finish the suspension rebuild and full paint, it'll be heading back over to Western Australia this morning to WA Limestones to hopefully another 15-20 years, and hopefully we see it for just regular servicing only. So here at Drake we do everything from basic services through to full refurbs. As you can see, we do an excellent job here at Drake, and quality is what Drake is built on. So for all your needs, don't hesitate to come to our Service and Repairs branch here at Waco and see what we can do for you.